What if I told you celebrities and even one of the world's most famous billionaires choose SolarYacht to enjoy super yacht life in Berlin City?
Morning light we chase, wind and hair we race, find our secret place, smiles on every face.
Welcome aboard one of our most famous SolarYachts for private charter and exclusive events in Berlin.
Never wanna stop. Neon lights take flight, echoes in the night, music burning bright, party till the light, dancing through the heat, underneath our feet, heartbeat with the beat, summer feels complete.
Superstars love super yachts. But cruising around Berlin City looked like this. Till now. Berlin City is known for urban lifestyle, art, startups and nightlife, but not really for exclusive or luxury yacht life.
In this world so fast, future blending with the past.
Berlin's network of lakes and rivers makes it a truly unique city for boating and water sports. SolarYacht is reinventing, electrifying yacht life around Berlin City. Many international celebrities stepped aboard our SolarYachts to enjoy the unique SolarYacht Life experience. F1 world champion from Monaco, famous models, Hollywood stars, soccer players, famous music artists. They came for privacy, for freedom, for the rare chance to experience a super yacht lifestyle without leaving the city. And the SolarYacht Charter and Event Yachts are probably the only yachts for charter in Berlin that truly gives you the luxury feeling of being aboard a super yacht. Exclusive brand events, private celebrations, film shoots and unforgettable nights all have taken place on these decks. With sunsets, the SolarYacht transforms into something magical, a floating event stage, a private club. A world apart from the noise of the city.
Wenn ich nach vorne schaue, dann sehe ich Ruhe, Liebe, Harmonie und wenig Menschen.
The journey feels like a movie scene. Historic places, from Berlin to Potsdam. Every cruise is a reminder luxury and sustainability can exist together. Recently, we had a billionaire on board, cruising through the historic sites of Berlin, Wannsee and Potsdam. Guess who? Since the celebrities came for privacy, his identity remains a secret. Stay tuned for our next videos where we might reveal who it is.
With tender care, moments shared beyond compare, whispers soft in candlelight, hearts collide on this magic night.
This is our exclusive SolarYacht Charter and Event fleet, where innovations meet elegance, where stars come to escape and where Berlin meets the super yacht lifestyle.